Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman created history as she presented a record 8 consecutive budget at Lok Sabha today. The major highlight of her budget was the relief on middle-class taxpayers. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced that individuals earning up to 12 lakh annually will not have to pay any income tax under the new tax regime. In a budget speech, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman also announced the Pradhan Mantri Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana. The scheme aims to enhance agricultural productivity, adopt crop diversification and sustainable agricultural practices, augment post-harvest storage at panchayat and block level, improve irrigation facilities, facilitate availability of long and short-term credit. Nirmala Sitharaman said the program is likely to help 1.7 crore farmers. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman also announced an increase in the money allocated to Shaksham Angawadi and Poshan 2.0 scheme. In her speech, the Finance Minister said the scheme provides nutritional support to more than 8 crore children, 1 crore pregnant women and lactating mothers, and around 20 lakh adolescent girls in aspirational districts and northeast region. The Union Minister also laid out custom duties and import tariffs changes for the upcoming fiscal year. With that, mobile phones chargers, electric vehicle batteries and cancer drugs may become cheaper, while flat LED televisions will become costlier.
Honorable Speaker, I present the budget for 25-26. I am now happy to announce that there will be no income tax payable up to income of 12 lakh rupees. Prime Minister Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana, developing agri-districts program. Motivated by the success of the aspirational district program, our government will undertake a Prime Minister Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana in partnership with states. Through the convergence of existing schemes and specialized measures, the program will cover 100 districts with low productivity, moderate crop intensity, and below average credit parameters.